Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all fine and doing well. So today I'm back again with another beautiful style. So in this video you will see most beautiful and most gorgeous designs of latest top designs for chubby girl. So I just want to bring this collection for you. I hope that you are going to love this collection. You are going to find this collection very helpful and very useful for you. So friends, what you have to do is just watch this video for more ideas till the end. All the designs of tops are very unique and so stylish and gorgeous. So in this video you can see floral, plain and printed and split designs of latest tops. These fashions are very suitable for a little bit fat woman or chubby girl. So whenever I want to buy a dress or I want to design a dress, I just watch the ideas on YouTube or in other sites. So I hope that you will get what I'm trying to say so you can get ideas from in this video. So my friends, if you want to update it by latest fashion trends, so my channel is all about the latest fashion trends. So you will find more videos of new designs and new ideas daily on my channel. If you are loving these tops designs, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon, and so after clicking the bell icon you will get all notification of my videos and you will never miss any video or any collections of on my channel. So, and my friends, I always try to bring useful videos, and don't forget to leave your feedback in comment section short. So tell me how was the video, how about the design, and what shape of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and what are the designs are very useful for you. So my dear friends, please do support me by sharing and my videos with friends and your relatives. So, and thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos, and thank you so much guys for your positive feedback, and their positive feedback encourage for me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you guys. So keep visiting my channel for more videos and more ideas, more collections. Don't forget to like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also give your feedback in comment section. So see you soon with the new collection and new ideas, designs for you. Bye.